Hello everyone, my name is Hatin Saifuddin Jadwala. Today we are going to solve a numerical on soil-water relationship in geotechnical engineering. It was asked in May 2018 for 10 marks. Okay, let's start the numerical. A soil sample with a specific gravity of 2.7 was filled in a 1000 ml container in the loosest possible state. The dry weight of the sample was found to be 1475 grams. It was then fitted at a densest state obtainable and the weight was found to be 1770 grams. The void ratio of the soil in the natural state was 0.63. Determine the density index in the natural state. G is given as 2.7. The given data is specific gravity of the soil is given as 2.7. The volume of the container is 1000 ml. Means it is a volume of soil. Then the weight of the dry sample is given as 1475 gram, which is in the loosest possible state. Okay, and second weight is given as 1770 gram, which is in the densest state. Okay, we have to find out the density index. Okay, density index is the relative density. We have to find out the relative density, and natural void ratio is given as 0.63. Okay, let's start the numerical. First we have to find out the weight of the solid. Okay, case 1. Okay, which is in the loosest possible state. Vs is given as mass upon density. Okay, density of solid can be written as G, excessive gravity of the soil, multiplied by rho W, which is the density of water. Okay, next mass can be written as 1475 divided by G. G is given as 2.7 multiply by 1. Density of water is 1 gram per ml. Okay, the answer will be 552.4143. Okay, ml. Okay, this is the volume of solids. Now we have to find out what is the volume of void. Okay, here we can write down VV equals to total volume of the soil minus volume of solids. Okay, what is the total volume? 1000 ml. Okay, 1000 ml is the total volume of the soil minus volume of solid, which is 552.43. Okay, the answer will be 447 0.57 ml. Okay, now Emax. Okay, if it is in the loosest state means there will be maximum voids. Okay, now we have to find out void ratio in the loosest possible way. Emax equals to, the formula is volume of void divided by volume of solid. Volume of void is 447.57 divided by volume of solid, which is 552.43. The answer will be, the Emax is given as 0.81. Okay. Next we have to find out volume of solid in the densest state. Okay. Second case is we have to find out E void ratio in the densest state. Okay. If the densest state means we have to find out E minimum. Okay. First we will find out what is volume of solid. Okay. Mass upon, here we can write M2. Okay. This is the densest state. G divided by rho W, which is the density of the solids. Okay. Mass can be mass is 1770. Divided by G. The G is 2.67. Multiply by 1. Density of water is in gram per ml. The answer of volume of solid is 655.55 ml. Okay. Now we have to find the volume of voids. Okay. Total volume minus volume of solids means 1000 minus this volume of solids, 655.55. The answer will be 344.45 ml. Okay. Next we will find out what will be E minimum. Okay. Void ratio in the densest possible way. E minimum equals to VV upon Vs. Okay. In this case VV is 344.45 divided by volume of solid, which is 655.55. Okay, the answer will be 0.52. Okay. Next, last case we have to find out relative density, which is the density index. Okay, RD equals to formula of relative density is Emax minus En, which is the void ratio in the natural state, divided by Emax minus E minimum. The Emax can be written as, we have already found out what is Emax. Emax is 0.81 minus E natural. Void ratio in natural state is given in the question, 0.63. Okay, divided by Emax. Emax is 0.81 minus E minimum. E minimum is 0.5254. Okay, the answer will be, relative density will be 0.6324. In percentage we can write as 63.24%. Okay, if you have any doubts you can write in comment section. Thanks for watching.